conventsound.com.
A benevolent and an enthusiastic morning to all the smiling faces present here.
It is a great pleasure to welcome our Honorable Principal Sister Marie Harris,
Our caring Vice Principal Sister Sneha,
our encouraging KG in charge Sister Vinya Rose,
all the supporting teachers.
and all the talented spectators and listeners.
The function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to not change the nature of the one who prays.
All of you join your hands, close your eyes and please get ready for the prayer. Oh my God, I love you, bless and protect us, our parents and teachers, help us to study well, and make us all God-loving children. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning, new every morning. Great is your faithfulness, O Lord. Great is your faithfulness. They are new every morning. New every morning, great is your faithfulness, O Lord, great is your faithfulness, great is your faithfulness, great is your faithfulness.
conventsound.com.
The gifts of nature are indeed uncountable and extremely beautiful. The beauty of nature has filled our hearts with joy and peace. The spectacular sights has awed our heart and souls. But in today's world, instead of taking care of our nature, we are just destroying it. Let me tell you a slok which describes that how drastic effects are seen because of pollution. पर्यावरणाशेन नश्यन्ति सर्वचरत्वः पर्यावरणाशेन नश्यन्ति सर्वचरत्वः पवनः दुष्टां याति प्रकृति विकृतायते. It means due to pollution, our environment is destroyed. The wind gets vicious and the nature becomes hostile. But you don't have to worry about it. As it is said that every problem definitely has a solution. So today, we the students of class 9 will help you to understand the beauty of nature and also spread awareness about nature conservation. Life isn't about waiting for the wind to pass. It's about learning to dance in the nature. We believe that the gift of dance is a powerful way to communicate a message to conserve environment.
क्यों न सहेज कर रख ले इस प्रकृति को, आने वाले कल के लिए, आने वाले अपनों के लिए।
ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा।
भींत भींत देना।
अगर सुन लो जो संभले न हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदिया का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा। कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा। प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं, कैसा ये समाज है।
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है,
मौका ये अब ना गवाए रे।
हम है तो तुम हो तो हम, इंसान हो तुम, प्रकृति हम। हमें जीने दो, हमें खिलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें रंगने दो। हमें जीने दो, हमें खिलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें रंगने दो। दुनिया हमारी रंगों से भर दो, खुशियाँ हमारी हरियाली कर दो।
लाख दलदल हो मगर पाँव जमाए रखिए, हाथ ऊपर की सटीक पर उठाए रखिए। कौन कहता है छन्नी में पानी रुक सकता नहीं, बर्फ बनने तक हौसला बनाए रखिए। And such a person who proved these lines, whose courage and determination gets us to the horizons of hope, whose story is inspiration for generations and generations to behold water to the barren lands. Yes, it's the story of Dr. Rajendra Kumar, the waterman of India. Now I would like to call students of class 9 to introduce us to this inspiring story. What would a doctor do when his patients need water more than medicines?
Ayurvedic doctor Rajendra Kumar Singh faced this dilemma. Back in 1980, the town of Alwar in Rajasthan faced great water crisis.
This place was declared as dark zone in the government record due to low groundwater level.
So, Dr. Rajendra Singh took it upon himself to revive the rivers of this region.
The journey of Dr. Rajendra Kumar Singh had not been easy. It started with Dr. Singh leaving his well-established job to start practicing as an Ayurvedic doctor in the village of Rajasthan.
During his stay in the village, Dr. Rajendra Singh treated an elderly person, Mangu Patel, popularly called as Mangu Kaka.
One day, Mangu Kaka offered Dr. Singh a lift on his car. During this course of conversation, Mangu Kaka said to Dr. Singh,
अरे राजेंद्र, तू सोचता होगा इतने माई आंखें ठीक कर दी, बहुत बड़ा काम करा, लेकिन तेरे इस काम का मुझे फायदा नहीं हुआ। पहले मुझे दिखता नहीं था तो लोग दूर से आकर मेरी मटकी में पानी डाल दिया करते थे, लेकिन जब से मुझे दिखने लगा है कोई मेरी मटकी में पानी ही नहीं डालता।
Mangu Kaka said to Dr. Singh, why are you wasting your time here by going out for giving education and treating people? We don't need your education or medicine. What we really need is water.
मंगू काका ने राजेंद्र सिंह को समझाया, तू काम तो बड़ा छोटा करे, लेकिन तू लोगों का इलाज करना बंद कर दे। तू धरती का इलाज कर और इस सूरज को हमारी धरती का पानी चुराने से रोक ले।
As Dr. Rajendra Kumar Singh learned that the community struggled more for water than healthcare and motivated by Mangu Kaka's words, he gathered people and started looking for solutions.
People from different communities, villages and districts from all over Rajasthan worked up together for eradicating the water crisis, backed up by Dr. Rajendra Singh's knowledge and directions.
He used the indigenous water harvesting techniques like johar, check dams and storage tanks to conserve water.
But everything was not so easy, as he was attacked by the sand mafia groups in order to stop him from reviving the rivers.
These severe attacks would not stop Dr. Singh, and he continues on his way.
And the results have been astonishing.
By 1986, the Bari River along with 4 other rivers were revived successfully.
After this, Dr. Rajendra Singh and his NGO Tarun Bharat Sangh have revived many rivers.
All these achievements got him the name Jal Purush or the Waterman of India.
He was bestowed with the prestigious 7th Magsaysay Award and the Stockholm Water Prize.
The famous magazine Guardians listed him among the 50 people who would save the planet.
So, dear friend, Dr. Rajendra Singh aims to build a water-literate world.
How do you think you can contribute to this mission and to conserve nature?
Now, I would like to call upon our loving pearls to present a beautiful skit before you on one more shining star of our country.
Into the forest, I go to lose my mind and find my soul. Today, we are here to depict the journey of a great Padma Shri Jada Molai Piyong, who is probably known as the first man of India. One day, a 16-year-old boy, Jada Molai Piyong from Madhuri Island, saw on his way to home. Oh, so many snakes, but all dead. Why? I think because of heat, and this poor creature did not find any place to protect themselves from heat. He sat down and started crying. Friend, let's go home. We cannot do anything about this. He decided to create a habitat for snakes, birds and all other wild animals. So he decided planting trees. He arranged bamboo plants and seeds of other trees from people and started to plant them everywhere. After 40 years of continuous hard work, Jadhav turned the 1400 acres of barren land into a lush green forest. People of Madhuri Island called him lovingly Molai, means forest. Once a wild photographer from Assam captured his pics while Jadhav was busy planting saplings. And he came to know about the story of Piyong's continuous hard work and was very impressed. He published the story of Piyong in local newspaper. From this story, people came to know about him. Government of India awarded him the prestigious Padma Shri Award in 2015. The jungle created by him is now a home of Royal Bengal tiger, deer, rhino, monkey, snakes and many more wild creatures. Jadhav has no desire for honors, nor did he struggle to get any award. He wants to save Earth from global warming. This story tells us how a common man can bring a great change in the world and can save the Earth. डर मुझे भी लगा हौसला देखकर, पर मैं बढ़ता गया हौसला देखकर, खुद ब खुद मेरे नजदीक आती गई, मेरी मंजिल मेरा हौसला देखकर.
Trees are such a valuable gift to us. They don't expect something in return. They just give endlessly. So let us embrace our years with some amazing facts about our interesting trees.
Good morning everyone. Here's some amazing facts about Moringa oleifera. Moringa oleifera is also known as the drumstick plant. This plant is probably found in your backyard and everywhere around you. What you didn't know is that its seed can be used to purify water, cure waterborne diseases and reduce the bacteria from water from about 90 to 99%. Moringa oleifera is also known as one of the world's most useful plants, as it gives us cooking and lighting oil, it is drought resistant, and its seed can provide us excellent soil fertilizer and food. The most important function of Moringa oleifera is that it can purify our drinking water at virtually no cost.
Now, let me tell you about neem plant. Neem leaves contains flavonoids, which are known to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, and it contains azadirachtin, which is a natural insect repellent. Oil extracted from neem seeds and leaves also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help with skin conditions such as acne. It is also a component of toothpaste and mouthwashes. Young twigs are used as directly as crude toothbrushes in the rural areas, which is very beneficial. The Vedas call that neem can cure all ailments and illness.
Now, let us know about the Indian gooseberry, that is Amla. Amla contains 20 times the amount of vitamin C as an orange. Amla's benefits include antibacterial and astringent properties which help improve the body's immunity system. This fruit contains white blood cells which help flush out toxins from our body. Amla has exceptional antioxidant content. Its nutrient content has phenols, flavonoids and tannins along with a wide array of other antioxidants.
Good morning everyone. Here are some amazing facts about people tea. People tea can give us oxygen 24 hours in a day. That is oxygen at night too. Native to India, it is considered as one of the only teas that can treat asthma and constipation. It also acts as a remedy for food decay as well as diabetes control. Thank you.
पर्वत से सीखो गर्व से शीश उठाना, सागर से सीखो जी भर कर लहराना। प्रकृति नहीं सिखाती किसी को ठुकराना, इसे तो बस आता है सबको अपनाना। A magnificent morning to one and all. I, Vanchika Goyal, and I, Samani Sharma, are here to express our heartfelt gratitude on behalf of Class 9. We take immense pleasure in extending our sincere thanks to Almighty God for giving us this opportunity to perform on His wonderful creation, nature. We would like to thank our Honorable Principal Sister Marie, Vice Principal Sister Sneha, and KG in charge Sister Vinay Rose for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and for standing as the pillars of strength. We extend a really heartfelt thanks to our teachers, Mrs. Neelam Ma'am, Sheila Ma'am, Divya Ma'am, and Zainab Ma'am for their guidance and support. They have been a source of inspiration for us. We also thank Mrs. Archana Ma'am for being the melody of the song, Mrs. Himanshu Ma'am for being the beauty of the stage, and Mrs. Pragya Ma'am for choreographing this amazing dance performance. We will also take a moment to appreciate all the stars of Class 9 who made this event joyful by their hard work and impressive performances. We would thank all our teaching and non-teaching staff for their support. At last, but not the least, we would like to thank you all for being a patient assemblage. Once again, thank you all for giving your precious time to us. And we hope that you all will take initiative for conserving our nature. Thank you.